Today I'm making chicken salad. It's a great recipe that everyone loves. You can take it to a church function. You can have it for lunch. You can give it to a friend. Share it with anyone. So let's get started. I'm going to lightly toast these pecans. I've got 1 1/3 cup. We'll put it on a medium heat. Probably take 3 to 5 minutes. All right, these are done. Took me about 4 minutes. First we'll start with a cup of good mayonnaise. I like Duke's mayonnaise. Then 1/2 cup of sour cream. And then 1/4 cup of your favorite mustard. What I use is creamy garlic mustard. It's from a place in Fredericksburg, Texas called Rustling Bob's. All right, we're gonna mix this well together. All right, we've got 6 cups of chopped chicken. I used a deli rotisserie chicken. We're gonna start with, I've got 1/2 cup of red onion, 1/2 cup of celery, 1/2 cup of a crispy dill pickle, or if you prefer, you can use fresh dill, a couple of tablespoons of chopped fresh dill instead of the pickles. And then I've got about 1 1/3 cups of pecans. Then we're going to put the grapes in last. All right, so I'm going to blend this. All right, now I'm going to add, I've got about 1 1/3 cups of good grapes. I'm leaving these whole because they're small. Otherwise, if they were the large grapes, red seedless grapes, I would cut them in half. Mix that up. A lot of times I'll use dried sliced cranberries in this. It's really good as well. Or you can use apples, whatever your favorite fruit is. All right, now that that's blended well, I'm going to put in the mixture of mayo, sour cream, and mustard. All right, I'm going to taste this to see if it's going to need any salt and pepper. Good. I am going to add cayenne. This isn't hot. It just gives it a little zip. All right, I'm going to add a little more cayenne. Like I told you, this isn't hot. But it gives it just a little bit of a kick. This is a mix, spring mix of baby lettuces. We're going to put our chicken salad right on top of that. Add a little fruit. Good watermelon and cantaloupe that I just picked up this weekend. There we go. So please give this a try and send me a comment. And if you like the video, give us a like and consider subscribing. And ring the bell so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Anyway, as we say in Texas, y'all have a blessed day.